Sorry guys, I was recording late because my iPhone storage is almost full. After this, I'm gonna have to go in and delete a lot of videos. So I gotta post the videos before I delete them. But this is super dense rain. It is very heavy rainfall. There's a wall cloud over there. Wow. My big brother was trying to go fishing right before it hit. He would only had about 30 seconds to fish. Hurt myself. And the thunderstorm looked crazy earlier as the rain was coming down. This is some heavy rain right here. They need to go after it. Wow. It was raining really hard. Shoot, I forgot to check back on the snail because it keeps escaping. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, he's escaped? No, it's fine that he's gone. I'm glad he's gone. She. Because I released it back into the wild nature. Released it back into the bushes, back into the nature where it belongs. Alright, hold on guys. I have to be back. I gotta look for it. Oh, shoot. The thing is gonna flood out. That's the problem. I forgot I left the snail in there. And it's in this tiny little box and I can't open it. Rain. It's coming down. It's raining hard again. It just got heavier. I don't want the snail to die. Hold on, guys. Yes! Got it open. I forgot I left the snail in there. It'll probably just be in there until the storm ends, actually. I don't know. I don't think it's going to go out of this. I want it to go free. But the bushes are going to flood. So I got to wait a little bit. Come on, thunderstorm. I call it a thunderstorm. Are you going? No. In about an hour. Yes, it is. The rain's gonna stop in an hour.
Oh, good. There's spiders actually. Look, this one's flying around the square too.
Hey.
Why does that thing follow me around?
What?
It's flying in the square right here.
What is that thing?
It's your best friend, Dad. It's in the middle of the winter in this one time too. Turn around.
Is that the one that's been around?
It's your best friend.
Is that the one that's been around with you?
That's weird, kind of.
Brayden?
It's geometry class.
Do you know?
Is that fly still in your living room that's flying in squares? Is it?
I don't know.
I hope it's gone because I really hated that thing.
Let's fill up. We'll run up. Come back.
And we will not get it.
Well, the last time you went out, you didn't want to come back and we had to get him off the mobile.
Where's the mobile?
Yeah.
But he was running back and forth. Just had to feel like
Brandon, when are you going fishing?
Did you get mad?
that. No, I was back there.
Hey Brandon, when are you going fishing?
I don't know. Maybe a little bit. I'm not supposed to stop at now.
Yeah. Dad,
Yeah.
I only got 2 gigabytes left in my storage on my iPhone. So I had to post this video really quickly after and delete it.
Why are you using your iPhone?
Why?
I thought you said it doesn't have sound or audio.
I re-looked, rechecked one more time. So I wanted to see, and it does.
Okay, so you're going to go back to iPhone?
Probably. I'm still gonna use my Pixel for like weather.
Dude, I knew it was working because I checked the other day. I literally fixed it for you. That's how I know it was working.
Who's
Pretty
Is that-
dude.
Y'all having a good day so far?
Yes.
Pretty good, man. Got some hot food for you guys.
Is that in a quarter or civic?
It's an accord, it's a sport.
Oh, nice.
Alrighty, I appreciate you guys.
Thank you. I like
Brandon, it'll stop raining at 6:45. Oh yeah, so look, we're in it. It's gonna be raining like for a while. So we're in the heavy rain, but
That's a nice car right there.
it is. You know I'm recording a YouTube video, right? I'm recording a YouTube video. I didn't show his face. Yeah, it is. That is a really nice car. That's the new Accord, I think. Those are nice cars. Anyways, so it'll be raining. So here's right now. It's gonna get really heavy at 5:30. All right. I might go to the front porch and record. Domino's.
This fly is broken.
Flyer.
Yeah, the fly is flying in a square.
That's what all the flies have been doing lately.
That's not right. That's not normal.
It isn't normal. I know, right?
Alien. Aliens are kingdom. Yes, they are.
I'm gonna go on the porch.
Okay, so you're going to tell me out.
Got my phone a little wet. So I'm on the porch recording now. Comment below though, has the flies in y'all's location been flying in circles? I mean, squares? It's so weird. Every fly that I've been seeing lately has been flying in a square, which is very odd because that's not normal. Just tell me if it has because we're kind of confused. Because all the flies in this location in Lubbock that we see literally just fly in squares in midair. It's like, wait, what the heck? They don't go straight like to their location. They just stop and fly in circles. I mean squares. But tell me if y'all get that problem, because I'm honestly kind of confused why this is always happening. But I'm going to go ahead and create a part 2 on my Pixel because my iPhone storage is nearly full. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and create a part 2.